Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing a fidget spinner review. And I haven't opened it, I just got back from school. If anybody wants to try and guess what colour this is, here, look, you can quite see it. You've got to try and guess it. Now let's see if we can hear 100k likes, and then I'll do a prank on my brother, which is, do you know that part of your finger, you split it open? Yeah, I'll do a prank on him. Let's see if we can smack 100k likes, and I'll tell you the colour now is red. If anybody guessed red, I haven't opened it yet.
Me.
Here we go. Oh, this is cool. That's my I'm watching YouTube right now. Links in the description in my other channel. Links in the description for my other video, which was bin shots. Can you hear that? Can you hear it? Yeah. And then, yeah, my brother is totally bad at bin shots. I got mine in first flipping try. First try. First try. Oh.